Yo, what's up mga boss? Bale, yan na po. Nagsisirculate online na si Mikey Williams daw po. Pumirma na. Okay, na 1 taon kontrata daw dyan sa Converge. Tayo po yung nag-check sa legit sources, no? Alright. So far, isa pa lang po nagbabalita. Spin.ph. Okay, so wala pa po ang mga traditional medias natin. Alright. Pero tanungin po natin si Meta. Ha? Hey, Meta! Is it true that Mikey Williams is already signed at Converge Fiber Xers in the PBA?
No, Mikey Williams hasn't signed with Converge Fibersers. He's currently playing for Sacramento State and previously played for TNT Giga in the PBA.
Alright, so yun po yung nakaraan pa kasi wala pang latest, ibig sabihin. Okay, so tama po yung chinek natin. Bali, spin pa lang siguro, may sources or whatsoever, no? Okay, kasi nakalagay naman sa article ng spin is multiple reports, no? Alright. So, yun po. Okay, ang update natin, okay? So, nakantabi po si Doy TV. Alright? Tama po.